So on the old style Groms, when it's time to remove the O2 sensor, you can just unplug the wire here and use any socket to remove it and reinstall it. Well, on the new Groms, you can no longer disconnect this here. So you would have to unplug the connector and have a specific O2 sensor removal socket to get in there. So we thought, well, we don't have that in the shop right now. Let's just do the standard cut a groove in wrench. It fits over the wire. Well, when that happened, the cooling fin here was in the way and it hit. So in order to get clearance, that's why you'll see we removed this portion of the wrench and ground it down. So now that fits over the wire. This engages the O2 sensor securely. That clears the fin and you can go ahead and loosen up your tool. Now, this works great. You would have to have the actual socket to torque this down to the real torque specification when going back together, but it certainly will work, and it's something that you can make with an old wrench laying around.